from the house of God. Emina laika malika. Emina solema. Oh. They are taking me to a place. Oh. Oh. Hey. Kamelia somine kamo. The Bible says, out of weakness they were made strong. So the devil needs to adjust his measurements on your life annually. Because out of nowhere, strength is imagined. The weapons they used last year are no longer consistent with present day reality. There is an elongation of capacity. They need to, you are a specimen to be researched into. 2 wizards for your family will be given the assignment. Study him. He has gone out of hand. And as long as they cannot stop you from praying in the night, it's a lost cause. I know Mase, Isanila Mama. No one can stop you. Yeah. Yeah. There's an injection that you are going to receive. And I will sit on my seat expecting you to forward testimonies. Because when you get back, you will realize that the things that you have been afraid of will become afraid of you. Hey. Out of weakness, they were made. They were not born strong. It's a deception. The moment the devil thinks that he has gotten it, that's the moment he loses.